Exclusive TradingView offers. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're taking a look at TradingView. So let's get into it. Now TradingView is a platform that has everything you would possibly need. Their super chart has all the companies and all of the options available. So they've got crypto, they've got bonds, they've got NFTs, they've got all sorts of stuff. So you can see right here: stocks, bonds, futures, forex, cryptos, indices, bonds, economy, and if you click on option, you have all the option trading as well. So they've got everything available, all the companies, all the stocks, all sorts of options available. So you can go ahead and select and sign up by using the link in the description below. You'll also find some exclusive offers for TradingView. And once you've created an account, they're going to ask you to upgrade your account. Since it's not free, you will need to upgrade your account, and these are the 4 plans available. You can see right here. So make sure you check the link in the description below to upgrade your plan and select one of these plans. It's quite simple, and you can save a bunch of money as well. So make sure you check the link in the description below for those exclusive offers. And yeah, it's so easy to use. Once you've signed up, you can just simply come over here onto the product, go to Superchart or any of their individual tools that are available. But Superchart is the one to go since it has the main properties that you are looking for and all of the options available. Here you have all of the other options like drawing, texts. We've got maps, graphs, whatever you want to call it. Everything is available over here, and it's so simple. And yeah, it's as simple as that. So make sure you check the link in the description below for those exclusive offers, and there you go. That's how you do it. That's how you can use TradingView. So thank you for watching. Until next time, take care and goodbye.